guys, we're going to pick up my seats. They're badass, and I'll show you guys the boxes when we get them. Jack's fucking windshield wipers are having a war right now.
Oh my god, dude.
We don't know what happened. They just started freaking out.
I don't know what to do.
Oh my.
I can't even see.
Oh, we're so fucked. We can't see shit.
I literally can't even see.
They're stuck.
God damn it. I can't see where I'm going.
What just happened?
God damn it.
Update on the wiper situation. We had to pull over, and we're at the closest O'Reilly's getting some wipers, so hopefully they don't start beating the shit out of each other again. All right, new wipers on, so we're gonna update you guys if they start beating the shit out of each other again. Wipers literally not even on the window right now. Oh my god!
Dude, what is going on?
Smacking the mirror.
Oh my
This one's not even moving.
god, dude. I'm not digging that.
All right, well, I'll update you guys, but we're going to get the seats.
God damn it, dude. Fuck!
Welcome to Apple.
Jack's coming off for this.
Huh?
I need a knife.
What are you on about? What are you doing right now?
Oh.
You trying to flex? What are you doing with the sleeves there, mate? There we go. There
Sorry,
we go.
dude, I just took my... This is an old shirt.
Gotcha. You're looking
Big
pretty.
Apple fan.
Look.
Oh shit! Alright guys, this is it.
This is it.
Biggest moment of my life.
Oh, dude.
Oh.
Damn.
Damn, dude.
Damn,
We haven't
dude.
got it. We haven't even fully seen it yet.
Sparko. Damn, dude. Those are sick.
Oh.
The shoulder
Dude.
backing is like that too?
It smells good.
I'm sure it does. that's like got like rubbery like traction things, like so you don't slide around in it.
Dude.
That's tight.
Holy
Give her a
shit.
sit.
Do this here.
FIA or whatever it is.
Look at that.
FIA certified.
Badass.
Here, give her a sit.
Ooh.
Nice, dude.
Dude, this is so much more comfy than my other ones.
Yeah.
No more fake seats.
No more frieds, dude. The best part about it is there's one more.
There's one more.
Yeah.
That's nuts.
That's sick.
Okay, so it's a different day, and carrying on this video, I'm going to be installing a spoiler on my Audi A5 today, and I'm also gonna be taking all these stupid badges off. So, I'm gonna grab a spoiler and get right into it. Alright guys, I'm gonna use our specialty Neutron glass cleaner right here. Glass cleaner. I know I probably shouldn't be using it, but works hella good, so I'm just gonna clean this up. All ready to go. I'm gonna start peeling this shit off and slap this sexy girl on. She's going on right now. Absolutely perfect. No mess ups, first try.
First try.
How we looking? How we looking?
How's the gap?
Pretty close.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Damn, she's on. So she don't fly off on the highway now.
Yeah.
Keep her pressed down all day. Whoa, shit. Alright, well before I continue on with this, let me get zoomed out here. Before I continue taking this stuff off, it's pretty cold, so I'm gonna have to go get a heat gun and probably some floss. So I'm gonna go do that now, and I'll take you guys along for that. Oh, look at that! At Jack's right now, just grabbed the heat gun, and while we're here, I'm gonna do a little overview of what's going on with my car right now. Got full GK Tech V3 front suspension on it right now. There we go, look at that. BC coils up front. Got my Nismo power brace that I had to cut, that way the GK Tech sway bar could fit. New power steering rack. Here's what it looks like without a wheel on. Pretty baller. Rewrap the whole entire factory harness in this sick ass loom. Then coming to the rear, not everything's on this side yet, but it's got the drop knuckles, the lower control arms, and all the adjustable shit. That way I can have freaking zero camber. And here's kind of what it looks like. Yeah, pretty fucking insane. So anyway, that's the car right now. It's Jack's car, by the way.
Oh, yeah. Villain's angle kit, extended low LCAs, cut knuckles, Megan Racing tension arms. That's really it. I mean, also got the chase phase, brake booster delete, some Willwood goodies, some sweet heat wrap.
Yep.
And some paint. That's what we're cooking with right now.
Hey, I'm back. Alright, they're off, but Jack ruined my entire day by pointing out that I have a bent fucking wheel. Because Kansas shit potholes. Look at that shit. Hopefully I can get some money from the city, because that's fucked up. Look at that. Alright, I really can't see, but spoilers on, D-badge, looks way better. Super clean, and I'm still pissed about this wheel. But that's gonna be the end of this video. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and ka-chow.